Ever wondered how Facebook can be a game changer for your business? In today's digital age, Facebook is more than just a social networking platform. It's a dynamic marketplace teeming with potential customers. With over 2 billion active users worldwide, Facebook offers a vast, diverse audience for businesses. And guess what? These aren't just numbers, but opportunities for your brand to grow, engage, and convert. So let's delve into the world of Facebook marketing and understand how it can be leveraged for your business. Now, what exactly is Facebook marketing? Well, at its core, Facebook marketing is the practice of using Facebook as a digital platform to reach and engage with potential customers. It's a way to build relationships, cultivate brand loyalty, and ultimately drive sales. You see, Facebook isn't just a social networking site anymore. It has evolved into a vibrant marketplace teeming with opportunities for businesses big and small. The objective of Facebook marketing is to strategically leverage these opportunities. It's about identifying and connecting with your target audience, understanding their needs, and delivering value through your products or services. It's about creating meaningful interactions that not only encourage people to like and share your posts, but also to like and share your brand. Now, when we delve deeper into the world of Facebook marketing, we find two main types: organic and paid. Let's start with organic Facebook marketing. This is all about free strategies to reach and engage your audience. It involves creating and sharing content that resonates with your followers, participating in conversations, responding to comments, and essentially building a community around your brand. It's a slow and steady process, but when done right, can yield significant results. On the other hand, we have paid Facebook marketing. This involves investing in Facebook ads to reach a larger, more specific audience. With paid marketing, you can target users based on their location, age, interests, and more. It's a faster way to reach people, but it requires a budget and a clear understanding of your audience and advertising goals. Remember, the choice between organic and paid marketing isn't an either-or situation. The most effective Facebook marketing strategies often involve a mix of both, tailored to the specific needs and objectives of the business. So there you have it. Facebook marketing is all about using the power of social media to connect, engage, and drive sales. It's a dynamic, ever-evolving field that offers endless possibilities for businesses willing to explore and experiment. That's Facebook marketing in a nutshell, but how do we get started? The first step to effective Facebook marketing: setting up a Facebook business page. Dive right into the digital world by creating an authentic Facebook business page. This is your online storefront, the face of your brand on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by navigating to the Facebook homepage. On the left menu, click on Pages, then select Create New Page. Here, you'll be asked to fill in key details about your business. Make sure to choose a name that aligns with your brand and is easily searchable. A good tip is to keep it simple and concise. Next, you'll need to select a category that best describes your business. This not only helps Facebook understand your business, but also makes it easier for potential customers to find you. Now, it's time to add a profile picture and cover photo. These are the first things people see when they land on your page, so ensure they are high quality, relevant, and tell the story of your brand. The About section is your chance to tell the world who you are and what you do. This section should be filled with valuable and accurate information about your business. Don't forget to include your website link and contact information for those eager to learn more or get in touch. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, it's time to hit that Create Page button. But wait, we're not quite finished. A well-optimized business page is more than just the basics. It's about creating a dynamic and engaging space for your audience. Consider adding a call to action button. This can be anything from shop now to sign up, depending on what action you want visitors to take. Regularly update your business page with fresh and engaging content. This could be anything from industry news, product updates, or even behind-the-scenes peeks. Remember, this is your space to connect and engage with your audience. And there you have it. Your Facebook business page is set up and ready to go. Now, you're all set to start your journey into the world of Facebook marketing. What's the next step? Crafting a killer content strategy. Now you've set up your Facebook business page and you're ready to dive into the world of Facebook marketing. But what's the secret sauce that will make your marketing efforts a hit? The answer is simple: compelling content. A well-thought-out content strategy is the backbone of successful Facebook marketing. Why is content so important, you ask? Well, content is what connects you to your audience. It's the bridge that allows you to communicate your brand's story, values, and offerings to potential customers. And in the world of Facebook, where users are bombarded with information every second, your content needs to be engaging enough to capture their attention and compelling enough to keep them coming back for more. So, how do you create engaging content for Facebook? First and foremost, know your audience. Understand their needs, wants, and interests. This will allow you to create content that resonates with them. Second, leverage the power of visual content. Images and videos are proven to generate more engagement than text-only posts. But remember, quality over quantity. High-quality, relevant images and videos that align with your brand's identity and messaging are key. Third, don't shy away from using text in your posts. While visuals are great, a well-crafted caption can add context, evoke emotions, and inspire action. Keep your captions short, clear, and enticing. Use a conversational tone to foster a sense of connection with your audience. Lastly, experiment and evaluate. Try different types of content, post at different times, and monitor the response. Use Facebook's insights to understand what works and what doesn't, and tweak your strategy accordingly. But remember, creating engaging content is not a one-time task. It's a continuous process that requires constant analysis and adjustment. So stay committed, stay curious, and keep experimenting. In the end, the effectiveness of your Facebook marketing efforts boils down to the quality of your content. It's what sets you apart from the competition and helps you build a loyal and engaged audience. So invest time and effort in crafting a killer content strategy and watch your Facebook marketing efforts soar. Remember, content is king when it comes to Facebook marketing. But what if you want to reach a larger audience? That's where paid advertising comes in. Paid advertising on Facebook is a powerful tool allowing you to target your audience with precision based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. It's a cost-effective way of increasing your reach and driving engagement with your brand. There are different types of ads that you can opt for, each with its own set of benefits. Let's delve into a few of them. First, we have the image ads. These are simple yet effective, allowing you to showcase your products or services with captivating imagery. Then there are video ads. These ads can run in newsfeed and stories, or they can appear as in-stream ads in longer Facebook videos. They capture attention and can convey a lot of information in a short time. Next up is carousel ads. These allow you to showcase up to 10 images or videos within a single ad, each with its own link. It's a great way to highlight different products or tell a story about your brand. Slideshow ads are similar to video ads but use less data, making them load well even for people on slow internet connections. Lastly, we have collection ads. These pair with instant experiences to allow people to buy your products without leaving Facebook. Now that we've covered the types of ads, let's talk about setting up a Facebook ad campaign. The process is quite straightforward. You'll start by choosing your objective, be it brand awareness, traffic, or conversions. Then you'll define your audience and decide where to run your ads. After that, you'll set a budget and a schedule. Finally, you'll choose a format for your ad and submit it for review. Remember, the key to a successful ad campaign is to constantly monitor and tweak it based on performance. Regularly checking your ad's performance will help you understand what's working and what isn't, allowing you to optimize your campaign for better results. With paid advertising, your business can reach an even wider audience on Facebook. Now, how do you know if your Facebook marketing efforts are successful? A crucial question indeed. Success in Facebook marketing isn't just about posting regularly or having a lot of followers. It's about achieving your business goals and, more importantly, understanding how to measure them. Let's delve into the world of tracking and analytics, the backbone of any successful marketing campaign. Facebook provides a powerful tool called Facebook Insights. This tool allows you to measure the performance of your page and posts, giving you a clear picture of how well your content resonates with your audience. You can track metrics such as reach, page views, and engagement levels. Reach shows you how many people saw your post, while page views indicate how many times your page was viewed. Engagement levels, on the other hand, reveal how people are interacting with your content. Are they liking, sharing, or commenting? These metrics can provide valuable insights into what's working and what's not. Moreover, Facebook Insights allows you to monitor the demographics of your audience. You can see their age, gender, location, and even the times they're most active. This information is invaluable in tailoring your marketing strategy to suit your audience's preferences and habits. By tracking your results, you can continuously improve your Facebook marketing strategy. With patience, persistence, and the right approach, you can leverage the power of Facebook to grow your business. Remember, the key to success lies not just in doing, but in measuring and improving.